This video is brought to you by Osmocote, the Planters Plant Food.
Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and one of my favorite perennials of all times is this. This is a hellebore plant, and it comes back year after year. It's evergreen, it blooms in the winter, it's deer resistant, drought resistant, slug resistant, an amazing plant. But in the winter, when your hellebores start to bloom, that's when you need to get snippy with them. You need to clip off the old leaves from last year and get way down in here to follow the leaves all the way back. Some varieties you can just snap them and you'll get it. That one came off quite easily. I got the petiole, the whole stem off. And how do I know last year's leaves? Last year's leaves are going to be larger and they're usually down low. Now some hellebore varieties you can't snap them off. You have to actually get in there and just clip them off. And another good reason that we're clipping off these old leaves is because they can get leaf blight or this black growth on the leaves. So if we get in there and we clip off these old leaves, not only are you saving yourself from a future of leaf blight, but you will be able to see the flowers so much easier. There we go, the same plant. Oops, wait, look over here. You see how these are great big leaves? You see how these are very, very tiny leaves coming up? It's the great big leaves that are last year's leaves. Those are the ones you want to clip off. Big leaves. Follow it all the way down. Get the stem and all, because often the leaf blight starts on the stem. You get this black sooty mold on it. So there we have it. And if I would have bought this plant from the nursery and not planted it yet, I would clip off those large leaves first. But if this is growing in the ground, several years, you have a great collection of hellebores, get out there. It makes you feel good in the wintertime. Get outside, get down low, get your clippers, and snip off all those great big leaves. And then you too will be able to see the beautiful blooms of your hellebores. Look at all those buds coming up. That is going to be incredible. This variety, by the way, is called Pink Frost Hellebore from the Gold Collection. Wow. It's been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.